Ever wondered why Snickers is the go-to snack for hunger pangs? From its iconic flavors to its hunger-busting qualities, there's a lot more to this candy bar than meets the eye. Today, we're diving deep into the history, creation, and science behind Snickers to discover why it truly satisfies. Let's rewind to the 1920s. Frank Seymour, a candy enthusiast, began experimenting in his kitchen. Using only the finest ingredients, like rich milk and fresh eggs, he created candy bars that would eventually take the world by storm. In 1930, Snickers was born, named after the Mars family's favorite horse. Priced at 20 cents, 4 times more than other candy bars at the time, Snickers was a luxury snack, but its perfect mix of sweet, salty, chewy, and crunchy textures quickly made it a fan favorite, cementing its place in candy history. In addition, a Snickers bar is often perceived as satisfying hunger because of its combination of macronutrients, sugar, protein from peanuts, and fat, which provide a quick energy boost, a feeling of fullness, and a satisfying taste profile. All while being marketed with the relatable slogan, "You're not you when you're hungry," making it seem like a solution to hunger-related mood swings. Snickers can be enjoyed anytime, whether it's to fuel a hike, satisfy a midday hunger, or be a staple candy for Halloween or Christmas.
It's on a Subway grate.
Miss Monroe, eat a Snickers.
Why?
You get a little cranky when you're hungry. Better?
Much better.
This scene will never make the cut. Morons.
Because of its high calorie count, Snickers has always been associated with energy and athleticism. In fact, from 1968 to 1990, it was marathon, in Europe, perfect for fueling long runs or intense activities. After World War II, Snickers had big dreams of becoming a household name, and it found the perfect stage, the Howdy Doody Show. From 1949 to 1952, Snickers sponsored this beloved program, which brought families together around their TV screens. The show's wholesome, family-friendly appeal was the perfect match for Snickers, helping it establish a strong connection with audiences everywhere. But Snickers truly cemented its reputation as a go-to snack for athletes when Mars invested $5 million to make it the official snack of the 1984 Olympics. This move launched Snickers into the global spotlight, connecting it with sports and active lifestyles. Fast forward to today, and Snickers is still stealing the show, this time during the biggest TV event of the year, the Super Bowl. Snickers commercials are famous for their humor, creativity, and star power, reaching millions of viewers in one go. From iconic athletes like Mr. T and Johnny Manziel to legendary entertainers like Joan Collins, Rowan Atkinson as Mr. Bean, and even Elton John, Snickers knows how to make an impression. These unforgettable ads keep Snickers at the center of pop culture, showing that it's not just a snack, it's a brand with personality.
Eat a Snickers. Why? Because you're Johnny Football. Better? Better. Who are those ladies? Don't worry about it.
Snickers bars are manufactured at several key locations around the world, ensuring they reach fans everywhere. In North America, over 65% Snickers bars are made at the Mars Wrigley confectionery plant in Waco, Texas, a facility that's been in operation since 1976 and even set a Guinness World Record in 2020 by creating a 2-ton Snickers bar. In Australia, Snickers bars are produced at the Ballarat factory, which has been crafting them for over 43 years, as well as in Asquith. The Mars Wrigley plant in the Netherlands, Mars Wrigley's largest production site, and the world's largest chocolate bar factory, also plays a major role, manufacturing nearly 24 million chocolate bars a day, including Snickers, since it opened in 1963. Additionally, Snickers bars are manufactured in China, reflecting the brand's global reach and popularity. Every Snickers bar starts with carefully sourced ingredients from across the Americas. Sugar from Brazil, peanuts from Argentina, corn syrup from Iowa, chocolate from Guyana, vanilla from Mexico, and milk from Wisconsin. Even the wrappers are special. They're made in Canada. These ingredients form the foundation of the milk chocolate coating, nougat, caramel, and of course, those signature peanuts. It all starts with nougat. The nougat is made by whipping sugar and egg whites together. The whipped mixture creates tiny air bubbles stabilized by the proteins in the egg whites, giving it a light, airy texture. Next, a boiled sugar syrup is carefully mixed in, followed by melted fat to enhance flavor and texture. Finally, powdered sugar is added to encourage crystallization, giving the nougat its signature short texture that breaks cleanly without stretching. On top of the nougat sits the caramel layer, providing a chewy contrast that's key to Snickers' texture. Caramel gets its unique flavor from a chemical process called Maillard browning, where milk proteins and sugars react during cooking. The caramel in Snickers is cooked to precisely 240-245 IF, ensuring the right balance of chewiness and firmness. This careful cooking process keeps the caramel from flowing off the nougat while holding roasted peanuts in place. Snickers sources high-quality peanuts and roasts them to perfection. These peanuts are added to the caramel layer, giving the bar its signature crunch and balancing the sweetness. Approximately 22-25 peanuts are included in each regular-sized bar. Once the layers are combined, a dedicated cutting machine slices the candy slab into long strips, then further cuts them into individual Snickers bars. Next comes enrobing, the process of coating the bars in milk chocolate. This milk chocolate begins its journey with cocoa beans that are carefully fermented, dried, and roasted to enhance their rich chocolate flavor. Once the layers of the bar are assembled, they travel along a wire mesh conveyor and pass through a flowing curtain of tempered liquid chocolate. This process evenly coats the bar on all sides with a smooth, thin layer, ensuring a clean finish without excess pooling or tails at the bottom. This is one of the coolest parts of the process. After enrobing the bars in chocolate, they are cooled in a controlled environment to ensure the chocolate hardens with a smooth, glossy finish. Each bar is wrapped in recyclable paper-based packaging. Automated machines fold and seal the wrappers tightly around the bars. The packaging process ensures that Snickers bars stay fresh as they travel to stores worldwide. Quality control is crucial at every step. Workers and machines test for consistency in texture, size, and flavor, ensuring that every Snickers bar meets Mars' high standards. These checks guarantee that every Snickers bar is as delicious as the millions of others produced daily. Over the years, Snickers has evolved far beyond the classic bar we all know and love. The brand has introduced numerous variations, including Snickers Minis for bite-sized convenience, decadent dark chocolate versions, and even ice cream bars for frozen indulgence. More recently, Snickers has entered the health-conscious market with protein packet bars, proving it can adapt to changing tastes and lifestyles. Snickers bars come in a variety of formats to suit every craving. There's the classic singles bar, perfect for a quick treat, and the Minis or fun size, smaller individually wrapped bars ideal for parties or treating. For those who want more to share, or not, there's the sharing size, a larger bar designed to split with a friend. And if you're on the go, the 2-to-go pack includes 2 individually wrapped bars in one convenient package, giving you double the deliciousness wherever you are. Snickers isn't just a candy bar. It's a versatile ingredient that inspires creativity in the kitchen. Whether you're making Snickers football treats for game day, layering it into a stunning crepe cake, or using it to top mini peanut butter pies, this bar can do it all. With annual global sales exceeding 380 million and more than 15 million bars produced daily, Snickers is not only the best-selling candy bar in the world, but also a true cultural icon. Snickers' success comes from its commitment to quality, innovation, and the perfect blend of science and creativity. So the next time you unwrap a Snickers, savor the flavor and think about the incredible journey behind this timeless treat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your favorite way to enjoy a Snickers.